Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to add multiple hairs in Roblox. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open any browser on your device. Go to roblox.com and log into your account. Tap the hamburger icon at the top left corner. Click on Avatar from the menu. Tap on Head and Body. Click on Hair option. Choose the first hair that you want to wear and select it. To add more hairs, you need to buy or unlock them first if you haven't already. Now, right-click on the hair that you want to layer. Click on Open in New tab option. Now, copy the asset ID from the search bar. Go back to the previous tab. Tap on Advanced button. Paste the asset ID on any one box. After that, tap on Save button. And that's how you can add multiple hairs in Roblox.